Hello and welcome to the Martha's Vineyard Screenprinting Company's educational video series on basic screen printing for our clients. Today's video will cover exposing artwork to a prepared screen, burning the image onto the screen, and removing unexposed material from the screen during washout in order to create a stencil through which ink can flow to create a design on a garment, in this case t-shirts and tank tops for the local YMCA event. Screens are coated with an environmentally safe, photosensitive material prior to exposure. In its unexposed state, this material is water-soluble, but after exposure to bright light for a period of time, it becomes hardened and is no longer dissolved with water as easily. Artwork is printed on transparent film and aligned to the screen during this procedure to block light from parts of the screen that will create the openings through which ink will flow onto the garment. The screen and artwork is placed on the exposure unit, and a vacuum creates a tight seal between the film and the screen to ensure accuracy and a crisp, clear, detailed final print. This procedure is repeated for each color in the design, and separate screens are also used for a design that requires different front and back artwork. After exposing the art film to the screen, the vacuum seal is released, and the exposed screen is removed from the exposure unit and transported to the washout booth, so the areas with photosensitive material that was blocked from light can be removed with water. After exposure, the screen is placed in a backlit washout booth, so the unexposed areas of the design can be washed away in a water stream. These washed out areas will create holes through which ink is pressed in order to print the design onto the garment. This requires a certain amount of expertise on the part of the technician, because the areas where exposed and unexposed photosensitive material meet is still subject to erosion, and if too much water is applied, the design can appear fuzzy and unclear during printing. Applying recycled paper to the front and back of the screen absorbs any excess moisture and allows the screen to dry more quickly. It also ensures a better print, as removing excess water as quickly as possible guarantees that erosion around the edges of the design is prevented. The final step in this process is to put the screen in a drying rack in a controlled environment and allow it to dry completely before using it for printing. We hope you have enjoyed this client education video and hope it assists you in understanding the processes we use to help you promote your business or event. Thank you for watching.